In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you are using a phone or tablet, open the Adobe Acrobat app on your mobile device instead. The sign-in steps are very similar, but the button may appear in a slightly different place depending on your device. When Adobe Acrobat opens, look for the Sign In button. On desktop, it is usually located in the top right corner of the window. On mobile, you may see it on the Welcome screen, the Home screen, or inside the Profile section. Click or tap Sign In. Adobe will now ask for your account information. Enter the email address connected to your Adobe account, then select Continue. Next, enter your password and click Sign In. If you created your Adobe account using Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, or another sign-in method, choose that option instead. Then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the login. If Adobe asks you to verify your identity, check your email or phone for a security code. Enter the code into Acrobat, then continue. This extra step helps protect your account, especially if you are signing in from a new device. After signing in, Acrobat may take a few moments to load your account details. Once it finishes, you should see your profile picture, name, email address, or account icon inside the app. This means you are signed in successfully. Signing into Adobe Acrobat is useful because it connects the app to your Adobe account. This can give you access to cloud documents, saved files, premium Acrobat tools, subscriptions, saved signatures, recent documents, and syncing across devices. For example, if you start working on a PDF on your computer, you may be able to open it later on your phone or tablet if it is saved to your Adobe Cloud account. If you cannot sign in, first check your internet connection, then make sure the email address and password are correct. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the steps to reset it. If you still have trouble, update Adobe Acrobat to the latest version, restart the app, or try signing in through the Adobe website in your browser. You can also check whether you are using the correct Adobe account, especially if you have both a personal account and a work or school account. Once you are signed in, you can open your PDFs, manage your files, and use the tools included with your Adobe account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.